Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna review these 100-watt LED floodlights. This is a 2-pack and it gives off a whole bunch of light. So it's in between 9 to 10,000 lumens and it has a color temperature of 6,000 to 6,500, which is pretty much the equivalent of daylight color. So opening this up, you know, they're quite large as you would expect them to be, giving off that much power. So it looks like there's some instructions here on how to install it. Let's take a quick look at this. So package is including user's manual. Okay, so I guess it's just what the package includes and stuff. So this is going to be a straightforward install. You essentially would connect these to screw these into the wall, and then this just plugs into a regular outlet, and you have your power switch over here as well. So very, very straightforward. And then you have this sort of heatsink design that would cool off the light. So overall, fairly large, IP66 waterproof, so it's okay to put outside, which is what I would expect essentially with this thing. And yeah, so it just comes again in a 2-pack, exactly the same thing, good to go. And yeah, this is a 10mm socket, so just remove these. So I already drilled the tool holes here and I put the anchors in, so I'm good to go there. So I'm pretty much going to put the screw in. And this is the max angle downwards. And this is the max angle upwards. So you have your free play, and then you would proceed to tightening it. Now that it's screwed in, all I need to do is plug it in. I'm gonna close off this box, and I can either control it through the light switch, which actually controls the power to this thing in my case, or I can always leave it on and then I can control the switch from here. Or I could just leave this always on and control it from the light switch. Now that it's dark, it's time to test it out. So you guys could see that it went from very, very dark to you could pretty much see everything, which is very, very impressive for something that uses 100 watts. And again, this is the case where I turn on both lights. So I have one on the right side of my place and one on the left side. And I, turn them off and then turn them on, and pretty much lights up my entire yard. So this is the case where I have both of them on, so 100 watts on the right and 100 watts on the left, and it pretty much again lights up my place, and no other lights are on other than I guess my solar lights. In this case, it's the left side only for those of you guys curious, so I only turned on one of them, and then we're going to go to right side only. You still get a lot of light even with one of them, but with both it's amazing. Really awesome product. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.